I'm here at the Vanatoo suite. Let's go visit Vanatoo. Hi, how are you? My name is Peter Bruninger.
Hi, Peter. I'm Gary Gselschen from Vanatoo.
Hi, Gary.
And I'm Rick Kernan from Vanatoo.
Hi, Rick. How are you?
Doing fine, thank you.
What is Vanatoo, and what does Vanatoo do?
Vanatoo makes our current first product is a set of powered speakers.
Mm-hmm.
So we make a very nice little set of mini monitors with built-in amps and built-in digital inputs. We have people coming around telling us we have some of the very best sound at the show, and we're very affordable. Entry point is only $500. So
$500 for powered speakers?
Powered speakers with digital inputs and great sound, and a small attractive package goes almost anywhere in your house.
Well, let's take a look and then let's do a listen.
Absolutely.
Okay. So here we have the...
Got enough light there to see anything?
Tilt this back a little bit.
Yeah, there it goes. There you go.
So this is the back of the active speaker.
Mm-hmm.
Nice thing about our design is you only have to plug in one of the speakers. So it's got a power input. There's no wall wart or anything in your room. The power supply is built in. You plug it into the wall, and you run wires from here to the other speaker, hook up a source, and you're ready to play music.
I see, okay.
And your source can be almost anything because there's 3 digital inputs built into the speaker. There's a USB input, an optical digital, and a coaxial digital. And there's also an analog output. Input, sorry. So you can hook almost anything up to the speaker. There's also a subwoofer output. These speakers play down to 48 hertz, which is pretty low bass.
How about that? Here, let's take a look inside.
There's also a subwoofer output to run a sub if you'd like. This is the inside of the active speaker. This is the internal power supply, and this is the 60 watt channel Class D amp. So plenty of oomph for both channels.
There's a better look at it there.
On the other side, we have the back of our patented woofer. It's I'll give you a better view in a minute. And the crossover, which uses the things that you would expect in the high-end design of air cord inductors and film caps.
Yeah, I see there.
So,
yeah, you've got some high-quality parts in there.
All the good stuff,
Yeah.
and at a rational price. On the back of the speakers, we have a passive radiator that helps gets the low bass that we have that you can't get in ported designs in this size. The woofer I talked about weighs about 5 pounds. All by itself, the weight doesn't mean a lot, but a very big magnet. And there's a little line in here, we use something called XBL. It's a patented technology that we license that allows a small woofer to go through large excursions and maintain linearity to eliminate distortion. So it lets us not only play deep bass, but play it cleanly and play nice clean mid-range while you're putting out bass. A lot of little speakers will break up the mid-range as they're putting out bass. The idea of the XBL technology is it allows us to keep the mid-range clean while you're putting out those bass notes that you need to actually have music sound like music. So,
well, let's play some music. We'll do that next, okay?
okay,
Great.
Okay, great.
Anything you'd like to hear in particular?
Yeah, we'll grab some music out of our bag here. Hold on.
Okay, great.
Okay. It's got beautiful articulation, and it's throwing a vast spatial presentation of the sound field. So a huge amount of sound for a small speaker. And very natural on top of it. Outstanding sound from Vanatoo.